Number 41. For a given amount of gas showing ideal behavior, draw labeled graphs of, and then we have letter C. So we have to draw a graph for the variation of pressure with temperature. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw out my nice little graph. And if we have pressure and temperature, generally the temperature is going to be the independent axis, aka it's going to be on the x-axis. So temp on the bottom and pressure on the side. Now, if there's talking about ideal behavior, that's the ideal gas law. And that's this one, right? It's PV equals nRT. Now, if we're only dealing with what's going on between pressure and temperature, that means that we don't care about the other variables. We think that, or we can say that they're being held constant. So only focus in on the two that they gave you. In this case, we care about pressure and we care about temperature. So that means that all of these other three go bye-bye. And to make it easier, you can just kind of erase them. Oh, I erased the equal sign. You could just erase these, but we got to keep the equal sign though, right? Now I'm just going to bring these a little bit closer together, and we're going to say that P equals, or is in a relationship with T. Pressure is in a relationship with temperature. So let's start manipulating, right? Let's just say that this pressure increases, and this whole side of the equal sign increases. What's going to happen to this side of the equal sign? Well, if this increases, the other side has got to increase because they're equal to each other. And if I drop the pressure, that means that this whole side also has to drop. When one thing is going up and the other thing is going up, right, or down, right, for both of them, they're both going up or they're both going down, this is a direct relationship. So what that means is basically that with your graph, and they wanted the variation with P and T, since P and T is direct, and that's what they're telling us, this is going to be a linear line. So, if the temperature is increasing, that means that the pressure has to increase as well. And how do we draw that? We draw that as a linear positive slope going up. And you see that as you're rising, you're getting higher temperatures with higher pressures. And that's all you have to do. And that's it. So hopefully this helped. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to help us out, please press the subscribe button. And I think there's one more left in this bunch, so hang tight if you want to see letter D. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.